Are you planning to buy a smart ring but unsure about your ring size? Well, let us help you find your correct ring size. So here's my smart ring. To get the measurement of the smart ring, we'll start with a quick step. First of all, take a thin strip of paper, 8 to 10 cm long, 1 cm wide. Once you have this ready, wrap it around the finger like this. Once done, you will just simply use a pen and mark down the measurements. Using any scale that you have, just use it to measure the size between the marks in mm and note it. Now that you have your measurement, refer to the ring sizing chart on the screen to know your ring size.